Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on Account. Select Login Methods. Tap on Change Password. Go ahead and type in your current password. Once you're done, go ahead and enter your new password. Enter your new password once again to confirm it. Once you're done, tap on the check mark. And that's it. This is how you change your password on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.